Making love to myself. That's what it feels like. There you go. Making love to myself is how this feels like. This may have been a mistake. I'm thinking this was a mistake. I think this was a mistake. I kind of think so. I'm kind of regretting it. And yeah, I think I'm regretting it. Yeah, your boy's regretting it. I haven't thought of a title yet because this is the beginning of the ride, or you know. But it doesn't feel that good. Could you think of something that could not make me feel good at the beginning of a ride? I mean, like, I'm decked out like usual, right? You know, visually, right? Is that how you say it? I don't know. But something's wrong. Something's different. Something I'm trying out that I've tried out a while back, but I'm doing it again. And I'm not a fan of it yet because it's not made for this purpose. It's made for when I'm going faster. You know, faster. That's what it's made for. So I haven't yet decided if I like it or not. Right now, at the moment, I hate it. I really do hate it. Funny thing is that I can hear myself so clearly now, in a weird way. Like, I feel like I'm watching myself when I'm editing myself, like in a video. I can hear myself real clear. And it's never been like that for a very long time, so it's kind of weird. Gotta get used to it, man. Like right now, I'm really feeling it. I'm feeling like my voice is thicker, deeper, but maybe because I'm hearing my voice a lot clearer. But earplugs! That's what it is, earplugs. I can yell and it doesn't hurt. Like that didn't hurt my my ears at all. Cause earplugs, man, earplugs. We have earplugs in our, is that what you call it? Earplugs? I feel like it's wrong. Why is the word earplug and butt plug so similar but different with just one word? I feel like, nah, it shouldn't be called earbuds. That feels wrong too. Yeah, I don't know why it feels wrong. I feel like it shouldn't be earplugs. But we're gonna say earplugs. Why? Because it's so close to the word butt plug. That's why. That's why we're gonna say earplugs. I got butt plugs, but for my ears. I know I've always been complaining to you guys about, you know, it gets so loud. Like this helmet right here, the AGV Pista, it's made for the track. It's not made for the streets. But F it. We do whatever we want, whenever we want, and wherever we want. So why would I start listening to consumer statistics and descriptions and product descriptions now when I never have in my life? This feels good. Alright, I hated it. I'm starting to love it. I'm going fast. I barely hear anything. Wind noise, yes, but not as bad. I can dig this. Plus my voice, man. I'm getting aroused just by listening to myself. Is this what you guys get to listen to every single day? Well, I got less wind noise. You guys probably got more wind noise because you guys that camera. I don't got that camera right now. Like for me, I'm not hearing it through there. I'm hearing my voice crisp and clear. Like Krispy Kremes, but my cheeks, not butt cheeks, but my face cheeks are still squeezed. Because this helmet is still tight. But I'm digging it, I'm liking it, man. I could roll with this. Not bad. It feels weird. It feels like my ears are constantly penetrated with like a Q-tip. And a Q-tip, the experience of a Q-tip is so sexy and so arousing and fun. It's because it only lasts for a couple of seconds. But if you take that Q-tip and you shove it up your ear hole and you leave it there, it's not gonna be as fun anymore. You know, you're not gonna get that much enjoyment from it anymore. Know what I mean? Yeah, over the yellow lines, I don't give an F. I'll take the turn the way I want to, where I want to, when I want to. What is up, everybody? This is Riding Insane. And I just yelled, and it didn't feel like anything, man. Yeah, I can't hear Nimbus that much. I can barely hear her. Wind noise is a lot less. But I don't know, I'm really vibing right now, man. I'm really vibing right now. This is really nice. I like it. I like it. See, the thing with this is you have to be in love with your own voice. Now, if you're not in love with your own voice and you can't wear earplugs, hashtag butt plugs in your ears, you can't wear it because you gotta, once you put those plugs in your ears, your voice gets amplified. Everything else gets quiet, but your own voice gets amplified. And if you get turned on by your own voice like the way that I do, then you're gonna love this, man. I'm digging it now. The more I talk, the more it feels amazing. I just hope that, you know, I'm pretty sure you guys are probably listening to me all the same. It doesn't feel that different. But to me, it's like, you know, popping a cherry on my own self. Making love to myself. That's what it feels like. There you go. Making love to myself is how this feels like. I'm really curious though. I just yelled right now, and I could yell so much louder, but how's that popping through to you guys? That's what I'm curious about. And if you guys can notice the streets be empty, why? Because we came out early today. Don't go on that clock, because I don't know if it's right or wrong, but for sure it ain't 1, I can tell you. It ain't 1. I love this. Oh yeah, I love this. I can yell more, I can do whatever I want, man. Because my own voice is arousing me. I love myself, and if you don't love yourself the way I love myself, then do you really love anything? You know how they say you can't love someone else if you don't love yourself? I don't believe in that. I believe you should love yourself regardless, but I don't think it depends on you loving somebody else for you to get love. Or for you to love someone else, you gotta first love yourself. I doubt that. But I've never had that issue, man. I've always loved myself since the day of birth. Since I popped out, I've loved myself, man. Shorty's hot, Shorty's old, and gross. Shorty needs a makeover. Nah, but I'm digging it, I'm liking it, man. It makes me want to talk even more. And when I talk more, I hate myself when I'm editing. Because it is a bitch to edit. Because I talk so much and the videos come out to be like 2 hours of content that I gotta break down into 10 to 15 minute episodes. You know how tough that is? That comes out to like 30 videos. 30 freaking videos. And you guys end up watching me do the same ride for like a month. Now yes, I can't hear Nimbus that well, but effing, man, I can hear my own voice. I love Nimbus to death. I love her, she's my baby girl, but nothing comes close to when in comparison to myself. Love thyself. Pretty sure that's written somewhere in the world, right? Love thyself, man. But the crazy thing is, you guys can never listen to this voice. The voice that's coming out of my mouth right now, you guys got that air, you guys got all that stuff flowing around. You can't hear that raw dog voice that I got. And even when I do the build episodes, that's not my raw voice, man. That is not my raw voice. Because you got echo. Oh, what is that? Went over it. It's cool. I try to dodge it with my skills of dodging booms. Aren't that good yet? Aren't that good yet, man? I'm digging this. I'm vibing to this. I love this. It's so good. Is this how people feel when they have earplugs on and they ride? It feels so good. It does feel weird because I have this, like, I can feel like stuff in my ear clogged up in there, but I highly doubt there's any other sort of solution to closing out them ears when you're riding. I doubt it. What up? See, I was gonna make fun of them, but then I was like, nah. We're in a good We're in a good place right now. Let's not F it up. We'll make fun of people in a bit. Well, we don't make fun of people. We judge people on this channel. We judge people on this channel. No making fun of anyone, man. We judge them. We judge them because we have the right to judge them. Because you guys are on my channel and I got the right to judge anyone in this world. What up, dog? I like that bandana thing on your scalp. Young blood? I don't know. Old blood? You weren't young. He was old as hell. What you guys holding an event for here? Imagine a church holding a twerking contest. I switch religions. If there's any religion out there that actually, you know, pushes for more twerking, I switch religions, man. I switch in a heartbeat. Or I'd take on that religion. I wouldn't switch. I just take that religion on. There is no switching going around here. This is good. I like it. I'm vibing. I like it. I'm vibing to this, man. My raw voice. Sounds so good. God, I love this. This is amazing. How are people not riding with earplugs all the damn time? Because they don't have a voice like mine. Alright? This voice has been used in sex hotlines. Alright? Sex hotlines, this voice has been used and has brought in a lot of cash and may or may not, may have not paid for one of the motorcycles. That's a story I'll tell you guys one day. Whether I've done it or not, I'll tell you guys one day. But I would honestly think, do you guys think I've done that? Like, do you guys ever think I've done that in my life? The sex hotline voice thingy, phone sex. You guys ever think your boy Sane's ever done that? Riding insane, done that? That's not an bumps on the road, shorty. We got a series, but it ain't an M. If it ain't an M, who do I F with then, huh? Who do I F with? You see all that smoke in the air? That'd be wildfires. No, that's not wildfires. It kinda is, it's kinda not. But mostly it's all foggy, which is gonna suck butt because it's gonna come out in our footage all funky, but that's just the morning fog. That's how early we came out, that we got the morning fog riding on us. We got the morning fog riding on us, man. But see, this is the benefit to you guys. Now, with this capabilities of a butt plug, aka in my ears, now I don't have to short shift. I can shift much later because it's not super loud. The wind noise isn't raping my ears, but instead I can, you know, take it in and actually provide you guys with much more entertainment. Auction. Funny thing is, when you look at a fog from far away, it looks like so, like, it's just, you're gonna go in there and get lost. But as you go through it, it ain't that bad. But the problem is, it's gonna F up this GoPro footage, because my GoPro is from like 1991. It is old as hell. So it can't capture. When it gets all foggy and stuff, the humidity rises, it F's up the entire thing. Because if it's cold outside, this GoPro's running, right? Battery's running, right? It's gonna get warm. If it's cold out, humidity, precipitation, perspiration, perspiring, all that stuff occurs, and it ain't a walk in the park because it ruins my footage, man. I can't tell you how much awesome footage I've received in my life. I go back and I look at it, ass. All right, straight ass. And I'm like, what the hell, man? Oh God, what the hell? I put in my love, my time in there, and God does that to me? But no. He doesn't do that to me. He loves me. If he didn't love me, he wouldn't bless me with his voice. If he didn't love me, he wouldn't give me the idea of butt plugs in your ears. Butt plugs in your ears, man.